Dude, I'm not used to these lowered cars. It's just your lip, dude. It's chilling.
Pull your socks up. What's up, Bessie? What's up, guys? My name's Bam Margera, and I feel like kicking my dad's ass all day today. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we have reached a huge milestone on this YouTube channel. We have hit 30,000 subscribers, guys. It is so mind-blowing to me that we have finally hit 30,000 subscribers. 2 months ago we were at 10,000, and to grow this much in just 2 months is just absolutely crazy. It couldn't have been done without all of you guys, all the support that you guys give us, and the positivity. That's the biggest thing. The positivity that you guys bring to this YouTube channel has just been awesome. So thank you so much to all 30,000 of you guys, and for those of you who are still gonna join us on this journey. We have so much planned for the future, so many things that we wanna do. It's just about patience at this point, but it's gonna come. We have so many things we wanna do to these cars. We have the clothing brand that we wanna start that we're so close to doing. So many things, and I am happy that you guys are gonna come along for the ride. So once again, guys, thank you so much for making our dreams become a reality. Originally, we had planned to do a custom setup for our trunks. So mine and Nestor's. Holy fuck. So we were gonna do a custom wood flooring on Nestor's car. I was gonna do like a suede. But for Nestor's, we were gonna use like a hardwood flooring. It's this stuff called Pergo. When we went to the store, it was actually already closed. So we're not able to do that today, but it is something that we are planning to do. It's a fun little project that's gonna make the entire setup of the trunk stand out a lot. We also bought like a spray paint type of thing that's made for carpets. So we're gonna be spraying all these black right here. It's definitely gonna make the trunk pop a little more. It's gonna be cool. I think we're gonna be doing that sometime this week. What we decided to do for today instead is we did a poll on Instagram, and we're gonna be doing a Q&A. Thought it'd be pretty cool to do a Q&A for the 30,000 subscribers and kind of just get to know a little bit about us. Real quick, guys, it's Friday. My car should be in the paint booth today. Unfortunately, I kind of already knew this was gonna happen. The guy said he needed a little more time, so it's going in next Friday. Hopefully, it actually goes in next Friday and we get that thing painted as soon as possible. But anyways, guys, let's get into this Q&A. It's gonna be pretty fun to answer all your guys' questions. So those are all your questions. There's a whole bunch of them. I think Sergio had a good idea. We're gonna answer 30 questions.
Come here, Sergio.
30 questions for 30,000 subscribers. Sergio, come on in.
Come here, Sergio.
Come here, buddy.
Chill.
Which Subi is fast? Marcos? No, I think Nestor right now has the fastest Subaru when he doesn't have heat soak. Because when he has heat soak, he only hits like 14 pounds of boost, and he's supposed to be hitting 16, 17. Do you guys plan on making a road trip to Chicago or the Midwest?
TP for gas. Road trip to the Midwest. Pretty far, but I don't know. Maybe in the future.
What's next after the paint on the Subi? I mentioned this in a couple of videos before. I'm going to kind of focus my attention more on suspension mods, more than power mods. I think I want to get the suspension all dialed in first and then go for a little bit of power. Are any of you guys related, like primos or anything? Simon, is it? We're brothers, Holmes. No, we're not related. We've known each other for a long time though. We live in a fairly small town, so all of us.
Everyone knows each other here.
We went to school together. So, what's your favorite year? WRX or STI?
14 hatchbacks.
Definitely. Will you guys continue to daily vlog after July? We plan to daily vlog just for the month of July. I think after July we're gonna maybe limit it to like 2 to 3 videos a week. The only reason being is because it's a little tough to think of things to record every single day. I'd rather record 3 solid videos a week than do daily vlogs to where the quality isn't there, you know. So I'd rather do 3 quality videos over 7 videos. Dream car.
I saw Infiniti Q50 Sport. Dude, those are nice.
What about older?
Probably like a 240.
What's the new color of Danny's car? I can't say, guys. When are Diego's wheels going on?
As soon as the swap goes on.
So as soon as he gets to 6 feet. Do you agree that the new STIs lost the quirks and uniqueness that the 02 to 07 were famous for? Body style, yes. I think it's lost a lot. I think it's lost like like you guys said, the uniqueness of it. I think the GD models specifically were the best ones. I think now they're just looking a little too modern. What do you think?
Gotta keep up with the technology though.
Yeah, that's true. Is anyone going to do a front mount intercooler? Nestor has been talking about that.
Just not for winter, so like swap it back and forth. Winter, summer.
Would you have to get tuned for that?
Yeah.
When is Josh getting coils?
2 years.
Probably like 3 years, 4 years. Will you guys ever do any track, drag racing? Will you start solid engine mods? On my part, like I said, I want to get this suspension all dialed in. I do plan to actually take my car to a track one day, but I want to get everything perfect on it before I do.
I don't really like drag racing.
What about a track? Like a time attack?
Time attacks are fun.
Yeah, it'd be cool. Advice to people starting a YouTube that live in a boring / small town. We live in a fairly small town with really not a lot to do, so it can become a little repetitive, but I think for the most part it's just picking up a camera and doing it. That's what we did. You gotta kind of ignore what people think about it and just do it because you love it, not for any other reason. Nestor regret giving up the stance life. Stance is life.
I'm gonna miss it. I don't know, it looks nice. I like the way my car looks.
But it doesn't function. Plans for Nestor's car.
Interior. I want to get the interior looking nice.
Like seats and all that?
Seats.
Or what do you mean?
I don't know, probably a roll cage.
Nice. When are you guys coming down to SoCal? We're going to SoCal in October for Subi Fest. What brand flares did you buy for the blah buy? Those are Subi flares, so hit up STI Keith on Instagram. You guys plan on going flex fuel in the future?
It's just, I don't know. We don't have that kind of fuel around here.
Yeah. The closest flex fuel pump is like
2 hours.
Yeah, it's far. Do you all daily your cars? If so, how hard do you usually drive them? Well, we do daily them, except for Diego. Diego parks his bug in the garage now. As far as driving them hard,
I don't drive hard. Not like Marco.
Marco drives it. Marco drives it hard
everywhere. Every stop.
Usually the only time we drive it hard is when we do like a canyon run or something.
When we're all together.
Yeah. As far as Josh, never. What's your favorite thing about the Subi culture?
It's huge.
It is huge, and it's also cool how it's almost like a family type of thing. And I think my favorite part about it is you meet some really cool people who are always willing to help you. Will Nestor finally give up the full stand station?
I'm done.
Do you guys ever plan on moving out of that area and getting a house in the Sac area? Definitely getting out of the area eventually, but I don't know about Sac. We went to visit Oceanside, closer to San Diego, and I think we all really liked it, so maybe in the future. When and why did you decide to do YouTube, and what were you doing before? I started Subi Troops with Joshua about 2 years ago. There was really no reason to why we wanted to start it. We were always just kind of into like the videography side of it. It started off with just an Instagram page and then moved on to YouTube. We weren't really doing anything before. We were just working valet before we started YouTube, and then now we're doing this full time. What cameras do you use to film? We use a Canon 70D. What do your parents think of you doing YouTube?
My mom says get a real job.
My family's pretty supportive about it. They were kind of worried at first when we told them we were doing it full time, but my mom is kind of more accepting about it now. Have you ever gotten recognized in public?
Show them the picture.
Yeah, we've been recognized a couple of times, mostly at meets. So the Reno meet, and then the one up here, which was Lake 2. What do you guys do for a living? What kind of jobs? Well, right now, Nestor and I are currently doing YouTube full time. We did valet for about 2 years before this, maybe longer than that. What keeps you guys motivated? For me, when I go into the comments on every single video, and like 95% of the comments are positive, that's what keeps me going. I tend to ignore all the negativity and then focus more on the positive side of things. What year is Diego's WRX? His is a 2003. Who is the oldest In order, it's Wombo, Diego, me, Nestor.
I'm a year younger than all of them though.
How much money have you guys dropped into your cars? Enough to stop, but we won't. No, it's been a lot. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's Q&A. Hopefully we answered some of the most asked questions out there. These are fun though. I love answering all you guys' questions.
We'll show that.
So guys, we have kind of a, what do I call it?
We have censored ourselves.
We have censored ourselves in these videos. We act a little more proper than we usually act around each other. And Sergio said that maybe we should kind of expose that a little more. Expose, like, I'm not trying to say we're being fake behind the camera, but like Nestor said, we're a little more censored on camera. So if you guys want us to be a little more
like
what?
themselves.
Like we've recorded bits, but Danny doesn't put them in because for that same reason.
They're kind of, yeah. I don't know. Let us know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more of like the uncensored version of what we usually are, leave a comment down below. Tweet. We're gonna catch a bite. Andale.
I'm more of a backseat driver anyway.
Yeah, you're a backseat guy. Give him the backseat.
My own car.
It's not your car anymore. I'm gonna show you how to really drive it.
It never was your car.
So guys, this is already gonna be a late video, so we are gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go home, edit this, finish it up. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
That's it, friend? Yes.